That was step 14 completed. Now we insert the robot for step 15. Here we go. Notice it's a black and orange lead which is coming off. Okay. Now insert the connector, which is the P21. We insert this to the back here. Notice there's an orange lead. Okay. Next, the components P20. These are the battery terminals. If you just take this and fold it back. Same with this one. Just fold it back. And we insert it. It's in place securely. Now we have to thread the orange lead up through the side rail here. Just feed it through. All the way to the top. Okay, I'm going to finish the base unit. You can just remove the component. And then we just feed the wires Okay, you could use a tie wrap around here. To secure the wires. Then use your P13 screws to secure the top panel in place. Okay, insert the D-type batteries. Next stage, remove F7 or Foxtrot 7 and remove D for Delta 3, this component. Okay, now you've got the two components. You may have some excess plastic on the edges, so all you do is scrape them off with a sharp knife. Then you take the component and locate it with these pegs. You can see it. Then you take the base unit, line up this lip at the front. Here. Then secure it with components P. So look at that. That's P14 and P19, which are the washer, which is P19, which is P19 here, and P14, which is a self tapping screw. It's a tapping screw basically. Here we go. So place it on there. Okay, you've got the M4 motor in place. You have the component which is Foxtrot 4, F4. Look out for this notch at the back. That needs to be in this direction on this side of the motor. Put your washers in place.